بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. So alhamdulillah, we finished off the maf'ul lahu last time, also known as maf'ul li ajlihi. Now we're moving on to maf'ulun ma'ahu. So the fifth mansub. Correct? So maf'ul mutlaq, complete. Maf'ul bihi, maf'ul fi, also known as what? Zarf. Maf'ul lahu. We done that, and now we're moving on to al-maf'ul ma'ahu. Okay. Now, so faslun al-maf'ul ma'ahu. What's maf'ul ma'ahu? Ma yuzkaru ba'da al-waw. That which is mentioned after waw. Ma, that which is mentioned after a waw. Which kind of waw? Any waw? No, not any waw. The waw is dul hal, bima'na as a hal. A waw in the meaning of ma'a. So ma yuzkaru ba'da al-waw, that which is mentioned after waw, and that waw is in the meaning of ma'a, along with limusahabatihi. Okay, for its companionship, meaning to show that what is after waw accompanies that which is before waw. Okay, sorry, limusahabatihi ma'mula fa'lin. This is the musahaba is masdar. He is the fa'il, and ma'mula fa'lin is a maf'ulun bihi. Correct? You understand? So, maf'ul ma'ahu is that which is mentioned after the waw, which is in the meaning of ma'a, to show lam, to show it accompanying the ma'mul of the fa'il. Okay? For example, let me give an example here. It says here, Ja'a al-bardu wal-jubbat. Jubbat, we have the cloaks and the coats and that kind of stuff, called jubbat. Okay? So, Ja'a al-bardu wal-jubbat, you say jubbati. Mansub state, because it's maf'ul ma'ahu. What's happening here? We have a waw, and that waw is in the meaning of ma'a. Correct? That waw is in the meaning of ma'a. So what is meant? This is maf'ul ma'ahu. Why is that maf'ul ma'ahu? Because it is mentioned after a waw in the meaning of ma'a. Yes, it is mentioned after a waw, which has the meaning of ma'a, and it is used to show that this is musahib, is accompanying the ma'mul of the fa'il. What's the ma'mul of the fa'il? Al-bardu. So the jubbat accompany the bird in coming, meaning the cold weather came, and what came along with the cold weather? The coats. You dust off your coats after summer, you dust it off and put it back on. All the hoods and the woolly hats and the gloves and everything. So, Ja al-bardu wal-jubbati. The cold weather came along with the coats. Correct? Yes? Why not they say Ja al-bardu wal-jubbatu? So the faida of this is that when you have ma'tuf alayhi and ma'tuf, remember waw is for jama'. What does waw mean? To bring two things together. To bring two things. It doesn't have to be at the same time. It doesn't have to be one after the other. So when you have waw, it doesn't show it happens at the same time. When you have waw in the meaning of ma'a, and you have maf'ul ma'ahu, what does it show? That they both came at the same time. So for example, we've done this one here. Correct? So, Ja al-bardu wal-jubbat. Waji'tu ana wa zaydan. If you say ji'tu ana wa zaydun, it means I came, Zayd came, I came in the morning, Zayd came in the evening. Possible?
Can't you say ji'tu instead of the huwa, but ha?
You can. You can say that if you want to. But the Arabs have used this. Okay? So, ji'tu ana wa zaydan, ay it's supposed to say أي مع أي جئت مع جاء البرد مع الجبات وجئت مع زيد. That's what it means. Have you got it? Yes? Everybody with me? Now here, regarding if the basics are complete. That's the basics. So a few more extra points. This is quite rare. This is so rare that it's not that Jurjani rahimahullah in his Sharh of Al-Jumal, he says that you can't bring this with anything. You can only bring wow maf'ul ma'ahu in two things which cannot be separated, or which usually come together. It's not muttarid. He's saying basically it's like sama'an almost. It's sama' maf'ul ma'ahu is sama'i. That's this argument. It's almost like sama'i. It's not like muttarid. You can't bring it anywhere however you wish. So he was saying, according to him, he's saying ji'tu ana wa Zayd is incorrect. Theoretically, yes, but he's saying when you look at the Arabic language, it's not like something used anywhere and anyhow. You just not add any. It's only a few structures and a few phrases that are used. That's his opinion. Others have not agreed with him, but that's how it is. Correct? Make sense? Okay. Even the Quran as well, there's no maf'ul ma'ahu sarih. Like wherever you see a maf'ul ma'ahu in the Quran, you can't. It's not like in a mansub state. You can actually see it very obviously and clearly. Here's one example. Okay. فَعَلَى اللَّهِ تَوَكَّلْتَ. فَعَلَى اللَّهِ تَوَكَّلْتَ. Tawakkaltu means to rely. So I rely upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah is muqaddam lil hasr. فَعَلَى اللَّهِ تَوَكَّلْتَ. I rely and I depend upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. فَأَجْمِئُوا أَمْرَكُمْ. What does أَجْمِئُوا mean? أَجْمَعَ الْقَوْمُ عَلَى الْأَمْرِ. When the people agree upon something, you say أَجْمَعَ الْقَوْمُ عَلَى الْأَمْرِ. أي اتفقوا عليه بلا خلاف. بلا خلاف. That's what it means. Okay? Or you can say أجمع الأمر أحكمه, to make it firm, like solid, determined, fixed. Yes? Now, if you look at this here, أجمعوا أمركم. The Nabi is saying, توكل, I have relied upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and now just leave me alone. Do what you want. Okay? فأجمعوا أمركم. فأجمعوا أمركم. Okay? So فأجمعوا أمركم, that's the maf'ul of أجمعوا, yes? Clear? No other option. أجمعوا أمركم, that's the maf'ul of أجمعوا. Can شركاءكم be the maf'ul bihi of أجمعوا? Because أجمعوا means to do what? أجمعوا means to agree upon something, or أجمعوا means to make something complete or muhkam. So you can أجمعوا أمركم, you decide on your matter. Whatever you want to do against me, you decide and do whatever you want against me. But if you make that the ma'atuf of amrakum, would it make sense? You decide your matter and you decide your partners. They already knew who the gods were, the fake gods and the idols. So you can't make that the ma'atuf. Because it wouldn't make sense, meaning you decide on your matter, you decide on your partners. It wouldn't make sense, meaning you make your matter firm and make your gods firm. It means here, ajmi'u, you and your gods, you along with your gods, you along with the partners that you have made with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you all together decide what you want to do against me. Allah will protect me. Tawakkaltu ala Allah. Allah tawakkal.
But can't you make that the ma'tuf of the fa'il?
You can't make ma'tuf of the fa'il, because the rule is, the question he's raising here is, why can't you make shuraka'akum, make it shuraka'ukum, and make it ma'tuf? Why don't you just say that's ma'tuf alayh and that's ma'tuf? You can't do that because that's incorrect, because you can't do atf on a zamir muttasil. You can't do atf on zamir you can't do atf on a zamir mustatir, a zamir marfu', mustatir, or baris muttasil, whether it's hidden inside or whether it's what it's got surah like ajmi'u. You can't do atf on that. If you wanted to say, you have to say what? فَأَجْمِئُوا أَنْتُمْ وَشُرَكَاؤُكُمْ. But if that could meaning. You understand? Because you can't make this a ma'tuf alayh, the waw in ajmi'u. So here, shuraka'akum is, what is it becoming? the maf'ul ma'ahu. Okay. So you do get fifth place in the Quran. You get fifth place in the Quran, but it's not like. But some have said you can make it anywhere. Some have said it's only a few places. Wallahu alam. I've not done enough research to do a hakam between the two of them. Okay? Are you following? Yes? Okay. Any questions?